In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start Outlook in safe mode. If Outlook won't open, keeps crashing, or feels sluggish, safe mode is a quick way to launch it with add-ins and custom settings turned off, so you can troubleshoot without distractions. Nothing in your mailbox is changed. You're simply opening Outlook with the bare essentials, so it's more stable while you diagnose what's wrong. The first and fastest method is with the Run dialog. On your keyboard, press the Windows key and R together to open the small Run window. In the box that appears, type exactly outlook.exe /safe. That's outlook.exe our safe. And then select OK or press Enter. Make sure you include the space before the slash because that's what tells Windows to pass the safe mode switch to Outlook. Outlook will start with a simplified setup, and you may notice that toolbars or extensions you normally see aren't loaded. That's expected in safe mode and helps you test whether an add-in or customization is causing issues. You can also launch safe mode right from an Outlook shortcut. Locate the Outlook icon, whether it's on your desktop, your taskbar, or in the Start menu. Hold down the Control key on your keyboard, and while holding it, double-click the Outlook shortcut. Keep holding Control until you see a prompt asking if you want to start Outlook in safe mode. Confirm the prompt, and Outlook opens with add-ins disabled. This method is handy if you can find the icon quickly and prefer not to type any commands. Finally, you can use Windows Search. Click the Start button or place your cursor in the Windows search bar, then type outlook.exe/safe and press Enter. Windows will recognize the command and launch Outlook directly in safe mode. Again, be sure to include the space before the slash so the command is interpreted correctly. Once Outlook is open in safe mode, try the action that was giving you trouble. If it works here, that's a strong hint that an add-in or a customization is the cause. When you're finished testing, close Outlook and open it normally to leave safe mode. That's all there is to it. 3 simple ways to start Outlook in safe mode so you can get back to work with fewer interruptions.